oha soup.
Oh my God is my God is able. Is able. My mom is here. And we're gonna show you how to make the real oha soup. Now this one is not anyhow oha. This is $50 oha. We bought this for $50 in Los Angeles. My mom is using all sorts of proteins. We have smoked turkey. We have
fish. We have
snails. We
have beef.
Hey.
And goat meat.
Hey.
This is the goat meat.
Is that
just for the flavor? No, he doesn't eat any soup without tomatoes.
Hey.
And there's no tomatoes in our soup.
Nuts.
Concentrate.
I mean, what is this?
Crayfish. Oh, this is the ogiri.
Ogirisi.
Ogirisi, exactly. Can you smell it?
Jesus! It smells like the embalmment of 50 human bodies. The way you prepare your oha leaves is very important.
You don't have to use knife.
You don't use knife to cut it. This is the leaf. You just pieces it. Basically with your hands, casually pieces the leaf.
This is the ede for the thickener. Blend it, put it in the freezer for when I need. You can just throw this in the soup. This is ede.
Ede is cocoyam.
And the thickener.
This will not be up to $2 if it was in Nigeria.
Yeah. I had to add more water. Okay. Oh, sorry. We have to introduce the banga. The water is rushing too much. Okay. So this is 1.5. This is gonna be really, really spicy.
Yes.
Don't you like my stainless steel? Very, very spicy. Don't waste the turkey. Don't have to cook stockfish every time I'm ready to cook. Done.
Ogirisi. So I'm putting 3 of these.
Yeah. Hi. Remove the skin and blend it and still use it as your thickener.
Cocoyam flour to thicken instead of the ede. Some water. We're folding it in.
Yeah. Yes.
Wow.
What do you think? It's good.
The oha is very fresh.
That's why it's $50. I keep saying it.
Blend the rolled oats so we can swallow it. Okay, let me show you how to make the oatmeal fufu.
It's looking so good.
Yeah, but I had to do it 3 times. Hey! Hey, whoa, Jesus! Wow.